play YouTube on the LG Smart TV. Now what we want to do here is just first go into the apps. So just click on apps and then the middle button here, so it loads all of your applications. Now scroll down until you are able to see this premium, and we can just scroll to the side until we see YouTube. Now if you don't see it here, you can always use the search bar at the top to search for it. So the search bar is so the search bar is right here, as you can see, so you can use it like this. But if you see YouTube here in the list, like I just showed you, you will just click on YouTube and you will install it if it's not already installed here. So as you can see, currently it is installed, and we can just launch it by pressing on the button, and this is going to play or load up YouTube, and you can play YouTube on your LG Smart TV. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.